Are you just sitting around the wet, muddy playa with nothing to do? I hear you, and I feel your pain. I'm Dr. Yes, and as a dedicated Burning Man entrepreneur, I didn't see damp, filthy misery when I looked at this rain. I saw profit, and my profit is your opportunity. I'm pleased to announce Dr. Yes's Rain Blues Booze Cruise, touring Lake Lahontan daily from today until 3 weeks from now when the playa will finally be dry enough for you to leave. For a nominal fee of $1,500 per person, my custom-built playa yacht, the Tipsy Titanic, will pick you up at the Starbucks in Center Camp and take you on a tour of underwater Burning Man where you'll see things you can't believe. Playa Doug will be your capable captain, guiding this floating wasteland whaler through the watery wonderland that is Burning Man 2023. Sail by hordes of burners wondering aloud, how could it rain? We're outdoors. And, but it was never muddy in the Mayan warrior videos. Marvel at a playa without plentiful people as our personal art concierge, that's Playa Doug again, shows you the man, the temple, and a bunch of other art, all of it sitting in water or mud. Enjoy unlimited free booze at the onboard Playa Puddle Pub, until the handle of vodka I supplied this flimsy flame fairy with runs out at least. Bar snacks include both the last dregs of my camp's trail mix and deep-fried fairy shrimp. You catch 'em, Playa Doug fries 'em. And if you sign up today, I'll even throw in a free captain's hat so you can express your inner nautical Nancy or sailing Steve and really stand out as having a completely unique Burning Man style. If you snooze, you lose, so don't miss your chance to set sail on Dr. Yes's Rain Blues Booze Cruise. Clean off your shoes and schmooze with a new muse that I choose. Perhaps one reminiscent of Julie Andrews. You can live like Howard Hughes while getting a couple new tattoos, from Playa Doug. Maybe even get in a game of horseshoes. You'll enthuse as you peruse the latest playa news. Did you hear that Playa Doug was accused of taking someone's lag screws? And soon you will disabuse of the world views that ever let you think a watery playa is a bad playa. Bemused? Fear not, you won't be ill-used. Pay the dues and we won't refuse. Cash only, no refunds, bring your own poop bucket.
Hell yeah!